Let's explore 10 must-have scrapbooking supplies that every scrapbooker needs to enhance their crafting experience and create stunning keepsakes. Number 1. Quality scrapbook paper and cardstock. The foundation of any scrapbook layout is the paper. Investing in high-quality, acid-free paper ensures that your creations will stand the test of time without yellowing or deteriorating. Choose a variety of patterned and solid colors to suit different themes and moods. Number 2. Adhesives, glues, glue dots, and more. A variety of adhesives is crucial for securing your photos and embellishments. Double-sided tape, adhesive runners, glue dots, and liquid adhesive provide different levels of hold and versatility, allowing you to stick down everything from delicate die cuts to bulky embellishments. Number 3. A variety of scissors and paper trimmers. Sharp scissors and a reliable paper trimmer are indispensable tools for precise cutting and trimming. Scissors are perfect for fussy cutting, while a paper trimmer ensures straight edges and clean cuts, making your layouts look polished and professional. Number 4. Embellishments for scrapbooking and crafting. Embellishments add flair and personality to your scrapbook pages. Stock up on a variety of options, including stickers, die cuts, chipboard pieces, brads, buttons, ribbons, and more. These elements help you create depth and visual interest on your layouts. Number 5. Pens, pencils, and markers. Journaling is an integral part of scrapbooking, allowing you to record memories and stories alongside your photos. Archival quality pens, pencils, and markers in various colors and sizes are essential for adding captions, dates, and personal notes to your layouts. Number 6. Stamps and ink pads. Stamps and ink pads open up a world of creative possibilities. Use them to add decorative patterns, sentiments, and designs to your pages. Opt for acid-free and archival inks to ensure your creations remain vibrant and fade-resistant over time. Number 7. Die-cut machines, dies, and more. Die-cutting machines are fantastic tools for creating intricate shapes and designs with ease. Invest in cutting dies that align with your scrapbooking themes, and enjoy the versatility of custom-made embellishments and accents. Number 8. Rulers and templates for scrapbooks. Straight lines and precise measurements are essential for a neat and professional-looking layout. Rulers and templates help you maintain consistency and precision in your designs, ensuring that everything lines up perfectly. Number 9. Scrapbook albums and page protectors. After putting in the effort to create beautiful layouts, it's crucial to protect them from the elements. Archival quality albums and acid-free page protectors shield your pages from dust, moisture, and light, preserving your memories for years to come. Number 10. Paper storage, supply storage, and organization. With a growing collection of supplies, staying organized becomes crucial. Invest in storage solutions like clear bins, drawers, and shelves to keep your papers, embellishments, tools, and accessories neat and easily accessible. Scrapbooking is a rewarding hobby. Scrapbooking is a rewarding and creative outlet that allows you to capture cherished memories and express your artistic flair. By ensuring you have these 10 essential supplies in your toolkit, you'll be well equipped to create beautiful, enduring layouts that tell the stories of your life in a visually stunning and meaningful way. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced scrapbooker, having these supplies at hand will enhance your crafting experience and enable you to create keepsakes that will be treasured for generations.